how to get your transformation journey back on track. Over the last year, I gained more popularity not because of the information that I provided, but for the weight that I gained. Yes, I fucked up big time, and lot of us fuck up big time. Sadly, I am on social media, you are not, but I get a lot of messages from people saying that I lost motivation, I gained a lot of weight, what to do, I'm not able to get my transformation journey back on track. So that's why I decided I'll make this video and help you out, give you a few inputs, not technical ones, just basic life related things that you can apply into your own life and maybe get your transformation journey back on track. I can proudly say that my transformation journey is back on track. You can see from the picture I'm looking decent, from looking watery, looking chubby. I feel that doing a lot of activities and everything that I'm going to talk about in this video has really helped me out. So let us start off with this video, guys. So the first tip that I would like to give you is stop comparing yourself with people on social media, or stop setting your goals based on what others are achieving on social media. Remember that most of the people you follow, including me, are on social media and they earn through social media, so they are willing to do anything and whatever it takes to impress people and to sell their plans. I am not saying I am doing the same, but I always try to show people realistic goals. Sadly, that is not the case with everyone. So what sells? A fast 10-week transformation, right? Even though the transformation might have taken 1 year, they will show it as 10 weeks because that impresses people. So what happens is you are demotivated, you have gained weight. So when you're looking at that picture for motivation and you start working on yourself, in 10 weeks you don't go through the same transformation. So what happens? You lose motivation. Motivation is one of the biggest thing, and I believe social media has become a cancer when it comes to motivation. People have forgotten that motivation should come from within. So search for self motivation. Set small targets. If you set small targets and when you hit them, that will just increase the level of motivation you have already, right? So remember, social media is a cancer. Do not follow every single person on social media looking at their physiques and comparing it and thinking that you will also make the same transformation. So motivation, guys, motivation is important when you're starting a transformation, and to stay consistent, set small targets for yourself, and that will really help you. Cheers. It doesn't matter that we are doing cheers for the third time, but I would like to give you another tip, guys. Do not take desperate measures. Last year when I started my transformation journey for the 1000th time, I took desperate measures. You guys won't believe, I actually did ketogenic diet for 10 days. You all know how much I am against ketogenic diet, especially for people who are starting their transformation journey. I could only follow it for 10 days. I couldn't drink things like this. Once in a while it is okay to drink things like this. You all know you just fucked up. You do not have any other choice but to be patient and set smaller goals, like I said in the first tip. So you can have things like this, juice, fruits and anything, unless and until you stay at a caloric deficit. To lose weight, you have to stay at a caloric deficit. So do not force upon anything, do not force anything upon you, as simple as that. So do not take desperate measures, do not try fad diets, do not try special diets. Take one step at a time, go slow, and that is what will help you stay on track. Guys, the next tip I would like to give you will really help you, because the same happened to me as well. Last year when I went off track, I believed that I do not have anything to do, or I just didn't want to do anything. So what did I do? I ordered food and I ate a lot of food, and that is one reason why I gained weight. What if I kept myself busy? You might have seen last year the frequency of uploads was not that great, and whenever I uploaded a video, it did not take much effort from my side. Sit in front of the camera, I'm good at talking in one take, I just do a take, upload it, right? So what I would suggest is take up habits like reading a book. Reading a book has helped a lot of people and it has changed a lot of lives. So you can take up any book. I would suggest you read books regarding improving life, improving mental health. One of the reasons you go off track is because you are not in the right state of mind. So try reading a book. I did not read a book and I feel, what if I actually read a book? Other things you can do is I'm improving myself by taking up the Shredded by Science Academy course. What it does is it helps me get educated, improve my education and knowledge in fitness, and at least I can help you guys with that. So that takes up 1 or 2 hours in a day. Taking up 1 or 2 hours in a day motivates me to do other things in life as well. So remember, keep yourself occupied. That will make sure you don't have your head in the wrong place. Having your head in the wrong place can really demotivate you. Okay guys, so the next tip I want to give you might not be the same for everyone, but it really helped me. This is my beautiful grandmom, by the way. Say hi. So the tip is, find someone, not a woman as such, but there will be someone who is your support, you know, who will give you that support, and that can really be helpful. Last year, the beginning of last year till the mid of last year, I did not have any support system, but then I found Ralston, and you know he really helped me. You know, he became my support system, even though he doesn't think that that was the case, but I believe that even without his knowledge, he actually became my support system. So you never know, there will be a person who always is the support system. So I would suggest spend a lot of time with them and eliminate all the people who actually do not understand you as a person. So that really helped, and that really still, you know, it is helping me till date. So, you know, find a support system. Yeah, find a support system. Okay guys, so the last point is enjoy a game. It can be anything. I'm playing squash because I'll show you. Look at this guy. He's sweating. Squash burns a lot of calories, isn't it?
Perfectly. Yeah. And you won't even realize it.
Look at him. Okay, just. Okay. Most of you guys might have thought I won't be able to run, but I can. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Subscribe and hit the bell icon, and like the video, and comment your favorite sport.
Breathe.
See you all. Peace out.